Welcome to Digital Paycheck. On this channel, we show you how to make money online with helpful videos, tips, and useful tricks so you can have the knowledge to achieve financial freedom.
This is almost $2,000 right here. This is $1,000. This is $1,500. And all of these people from all over the world are making thousands of dollars with this strategy. But the best part is that inside of this video, I will give you an absolutely free bot that will do all the work for you. So you can just copy and paste and make money online with this strategy. So you will never have to do the work yourself again to make money online, but you will have to follow every single step from this tutorial and stay tuned all the way until the end. And this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, building an actual online business, building a website. So you don't need any tech skills and you need no previous experience, because all you gotta do is sign up to this absolutely free platform and use this absolutely free bot, copy and paste, and make money online. Now, the main website that we will be using today is called Legit, and this is over at the legit.com. But if you stick with me all the way until the end of the video, not only will you get a bot that's gonna do all of the work for you, but you will also get 2 more additional platforms so you can make even more money with the same strategy. And remember, because the bot will be doing all the work for you, you will not have to complete any surveys, you will not have to write any content, and you need no any previous experience or special skills. So just follow the steps from this tutorial, and by the end of it, you will be able to not only make money with Legit, but also maximize your results with different websites as well. So the very first thing you want to do is come to this freelancing platform called Legit, and Legit is actually very similar to Fiverr.com, which is another freelancing platform that you probably have heard of. But unlike Fiverr, which is extremely competitive, there's literally millions of people selling their services, so it's pretty hard to start making money with Fiverr. So unlike Fiverr, Legit is actually a lot easier because they do have people coming to their website, they do have a lot of people buying their services. As you can see, 31% of those people are coming from the United States, and they have almost 300,000 visitors every single month. So there are people buying, but the competition is pretty low on legit.com, and that's why it's perfect for making money as a complete beginner. So even if you never made any money online before, you can pretty much use this same strategy. So you want to come to legit.com, you want to click on the register button right here so you can create an account, and you can do so by entering your full name in this box, enter your email address, create a username for your account, create a password, select that you're interested in selling your services. You don't want to buy anything, you don't want to spend any money, you just want to sell the services. Fill out the CAPTCHA and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on these 2 buttons, and click register. It's easy and simple, and it takes less than a minute. But now the next step is extremely important, and you want to activate your account. So you will actually receive an email. As soon as you click register, you will receive an email from Legit that's gonna look something like this. So you want to open it up and you want to click on activate your account. Without that, your account will not be active and you will not be able to make money. But once you click that button, your account will be activated and you can start making money with legit.com. Now, as you can see, we have all of these different services that we can complete. We can complete graphic design services like logo design, infographics, illustrations, and more. We can do audio and music. We can complete different business related services, e-commerce, lifestyle, and much more. There's a lot of different services that you can sell with Legit, and a lot of people from all over the world are making money with Legit by selling all sorts of different services. But the one and only service that we will be focusing on is under the category of writing. So you can actually write all sorts of different things using the bot, which I'm about to share with you. So the bot will get everything done for you with one click of a button, and you can make money by completing these different services. Like, let's say, for example, you want to sell creative writing. Let me show you how much money are people actually making with creative writing on legit.com, so you can see how much potential there is with this platform. And remember, everything is done for you. So for example, this first person right here is selling their service starting at $25, and they've gotten over 26 feedbacks, which means over 26 sales, because not every single person will leave a feedback. This person is selling their service for $6 and they got 9 sales. This person for $15, $5, and so on. That may not seem like a lot, but that can quickly add up. And this is also not the only platform that you can sell those services on. Once I show you the bot that does that work for you, there's a lot of other platforms that I will share with you where you can also sell your services, maximize your results, and make more money. So you will be paid to write articles articles for different people, but since you will not have to do any of the work yourself, it's gonna be pretty easy and simple, and you don't need any writing skills for this. Now, before I show those two additional platforms, here is the bot that is going to do all of the work for you. It's called writesonic.com. So you want to come to writesonic.com, or just use the first link in the description box down below to sign up for free. You'll click on start writing for free. That's going to take you to the next page where you can sign up, and once you create an absolutely free account, which literally takes less than a minute, this is what you will be able to see. You will be able to see these different features and all the different things that WriteSonic is going to do for you. This is an AI bot that we have talked about in many of the previous videos. It can do all sorts of different things, but one and only thing that we will be using it for is an AI article writer. So we have AI article writer 2.0, which is the best quality AI bot with WriteSonic that's going to do the work for you. It's going to write articles for you, and you can use those articles to sell them on legit.com and make money online again and again. So you want to click on AI article writer. That's going to take you to this page where you will just need to enter the topic of the article. So let's say, for example, your client on legit.com tells you that they want an article on how to lose weight in 5 steps. And then all you gotta do is click on generate ideas. That's gonna generate different ideas for the article. So we have different titles: how to lose weight in 5 steps and keep it off forever. That's a good one. How to lose weight in 5 steps, a simple guide to shedding those kilos. The 5 steps you need to follow to lose weight and keep it off. 5 steps to lose weight in 1 day, and 10 ways to lose weight in the next 5 days. So let's just go with the first title right here. We'll go to the next step, and the next step is going to be to generate an intro. So you want to click on generate intros. You will wait for a couple of seconds for them to do all the work for you, and once they generate those intros, we will then continue to the step number 3. So you can just go through these, and you can select whichever one of these you like. Let's say, for example, I really like the first intro. So if you're looking for a quick and effective weight loss plan, look no further. This guide provides you with an easy to follow program. So this is the intro, right? I'm going to click on that, and we will go to the next step. It's pretty easy and simple. I'm literally just clicking, so I will click on generate outlines, and we will select the outline, and we will finalize the article with one more button. So we have 5 different sections. These are for like 5 different steps, and we also have a conclusion in this first one. So we will go with that one, and we will click on next step. Now we have everything right here. So we have the article title, we have the article intro, which is a really high quality, and then we have the article outline, why you need to lose weight, defining your goals, getting started with a diet, then the 5 steps to losing weight, what should I do after I reach my goal, and then a conclusion, because they want to keep their weight loss off. They want to keep their weight off, right? We want to write an article with one more button. So I'm just going to click on write an article, and then on the right hand side, after a couple of seconds, we will have an entire article written for us. So just wait for a couple of seconds until that loads, until they write an entire article for you. So here it is. Here's a full article from which you can make money. You can literally sell this for $30, $40, $50, or even $100. And this literally takes less than a minute. You just gotta click on next step, next step, next step, and next step, and finalize this. And that's it. You have the full article here on the right hand side. And you can either copy this entire article and just paste it into Google Docs and just send it over to your customer, or just click the download button right here. Here's the download button, and you have the full article onto your computer. You can go back to your legit.com, send it to your customer, and that's it. 2 minutes of work, and you've just made some money online. Easy and simple. But now, if you want to maximize your results and make a lot more money, then don't just use Legit, but use other freelancing platforms as well. So you want to combine multiple platforms so you can make more money and more sales. So this is SEOclerks.com. This is a really good platform for these types of services. You want to come to SEOclerks.com. You will join for absolutely free. It's easy and simple. And then here on the right hand side, you will be able to select the marketplace and jobs to browse. So you want to click on article writing, and that's going to show you all of these different jobs that are available on the marketplace. So let me go back right here. We'll go to the marketplace, and we will find the article writing. It's gonna be right here. So we have all sorts of different writing services, and people are already selling them on here and getting thousands of sales. For example, this person right here got over 1,000 feedbacks at the price of $9. That's over $9,000 for this one single service. But because they don't have this AI bot, which you will have, it takes them longer to complete the service, and they probably can't get that many sales because once again it's something that they're doing on their own, so it takes them a lot of time. It requires a lot of effort and research and writing skills and whatnot. But for you, that's literally 2 minutes and just a couple of clicks of a button, so your customers will not have to wait for hours or days or weeks to get the work completed. You can literally complete it in 5 minutes and get back to them, which is pretty impressive. So this is SEOclerks.com. You can also use this one if you want to maximize your results. And finally, you can also use Lathium.org. Lathium.org is another freelancing platform. You have writing and translation services right here, and you can see other people selling those services and making money. Like for example, this person right here is selling his kind of weird service, which is I Will Okay, for $5, and he got 7 sales, and he's from Bangladesh. So he literally made $35 by doing nothing. So just imagine if you actually did something like write those articles, you can potentially make a lot more money. Like if people are making money by doing nothing with this website, you can also make money by actually completing the service, which is really good. So you want to come to Lathium.org, click on the join now button right here, enter your email address or just continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, create an account and start making money for absolutely free.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below.